Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common frustration many Spectrum users face in 2025. The not tunable error. This issue can pop up due to outdated software, loose connections, or even temporary glitches in your device. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could have you back to streaming your favorite shows in no time. Let's get started. First things first, check your physical connections. Make sure all cables, like your HDMI or coaxial ones, are securely plugged in. A loose connection is often the culprit, so give everything a gentle wiggle and ensure it's tight. If you're using a Spectrum receiver or modem, try unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This quick reboot can clear minor issues and refresh the system. Next, update your software. Head to your device's settings menu, whether it's your TV, app, or receiver, and look for any available updates for the Spectrum app or firmware. In 2025, Spectrum has rolled out new patches to fix tuning problems, so installing the latest version is crucial. Once updated, restart the device and see if the error persists. If that doesn't do the trick, reset your Spectrum equipment. For most receivers, you can find a reset button on the back or access it through the app. Keep in mind, this might reset some personalized settings, so jot them down if needed. After resetting, give it a few minutes to reconnect. Still having trouble? Use Spectrum's built-in troubleshooting tools. Open the Spectrum app or visit their website and run a diagnostic test. It can automatically detect and fix common errors. If all else fails, reach out to Spectrum customer support. They're available 24/7 and can provide personalized help, possibly even scheduling a technician if it's a hardware issue. There you have it. By following these steps, you should resolve the not tunable error and get back to enjoying your content. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.